Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your CapCut Pro Trick needs. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for CapCut Pro? They've got the essentials on lock. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your editing sessions and project files stay safe from some snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so your creative flow isn't interrupted and your IP stays hidden. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track what you work on or where you connect from. But the places they differ, well, that's what really matters for CapCut Pro users. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for CapCut Pro Trick because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could be full of tracker scams or fake plugins, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you connect securely with collaborators for sharing projects or files. The one small downside? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now that device limit, not an issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can run it on your PC, tablet, and phone all at once. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy CapCut user can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher, their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a pledge, it's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce, it owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen, they have full control over all their equipment, which means more stable connections when you're exporting large CapCut projects. And for any user needing faster upload speeds, it provides a SOC 5 proxy for the lowest latency possible. This can help route your editing traffic for a potential boost. Just keep in mind you're sacrificing a layer of encryption for that extra speed. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for CapCut Pro Trick? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means quicker uploads, smoother downloads for your media files, and less waiting around. IPVanish is a close second, delivering impressive and steady speeds using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found performance can vary, with speeds fluctuating depending on the server you pick. So which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if fast upload and download speeds matter most. You can't stand lag while working on CapCut Pro Tricks, or you want the best all-around VPN with the most features. Go with IPVanish if you have tons of devices or a whole team collaborating on CapCut projects. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're privacy-focused or on a budget. Its open source apps and proven no-logs record are truly unique. And that's it. We're all out of time. So if this was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running for CapCut Pro Trick. See you soon.